So today I'm making macaroni, pasta with chicken and a whole lot of mixed vegetables, which I love. It's such a winter dish because all the carrots and the celery and capsicums are really fresh. So I'm adding my onions. Along with onions, I'll add garlic, crushed, and because we are Indian, I shall add green chilies. Normally paprika would be added, but paprika doesn't give the spike like green chilies do. I don't need the onions brown. They've just become pink, translucent in color. So I will add my salt and to that I shall add the chicken, which I have cubed. And to that I shall add the corn and the carrots because they take almost the same cooking time as chicken does. That's my carrots, capsicums with celery in it for flavoring. It's a celery. And the corn which I have pre-boiled. Giving it all a good stir. And I will leave it to cook till it's soft. The vegetables and chicken are coming along beautifully. The flavors are coming together. The garlic mixed with the celery and a little bit of parsley and the chilies with the vegetables, capsicum. Very strong smell of celery right now because I have added celery for the flavoring. Otherwise the chicken doesn't tend to taste nice considering I have not added ginger. Normally we add ginger to chicken to take away that muggy taste, but I have not added ginger because I have added a lot of garlic and celery, so that should kind of do. The vegetables are nicely fried. Now I will add the mushrooms because the mushrooms don't take very long to cook and I want them a little full. I don't want them completely lost in the mix, and that's my extra chopped celery, which will add to the flavor even more. It's coming along beautifully. I'm happy. I love the fragrance of celery in the food because it so reminds me of the festive season. In earlier years, you would not get celery the whole year through. You'd only get it in winter. So it used to be used a lot and eaten as a salad and also cooked with. While my vegetables and chicken are still cooking, I will start preparing the white sauce. For that I need milk and I need maida, that is all-purpose flour. I will also need butter. I will use some butter and some oil because I don't want it to be too rich. So in goes my butter. I'll add the oil quickly so that the butter does not burn. Incorporating the flour very slowly so that it doesn't get too lumpy. Actually, it really doesn't matter. Once you put the milk in, the lumps kind of disappear. Now I'm making a lot of macaroni, so I need a lot of white sauce. I can't stinge on it. While making the white sauce, I've checked on my vegetables. They are done, ready to be shut off. Adding the milk to the flour, which I have browned lightly. I will also add water, otherwise it will be just too thick and not enough to coat the entire macaroni and the vegetables. I've added the water and the milk, and then we'll add a little bit of salt. This will be very bland. It needs to match the vegetables and the macaroni, and I'll also add a little sugar for good measure. Sauce is coming along well. I'll have to wait for it to thicken. It will take a few minutes to thicken. I am adding the macaroni to the vegetable and I will stir it well. And last of all, I will add the white sauce, which is already ready, on top of it, and then mix it up nicely. I'm not putting cheese into the sauce. I'll grate cheese on top because the cheese does not have such a strong flavor, so it won't be, you won't get the taste in the sauce. Adding the macaroni. Yeah. It's a lot of macaroni. It's a lot of macaroni. Stirring it all in, amalgamating it. And I only hope it's enough. The vegetables are enough. I don't want to be eating plain macaroni. I want a lot of taste of the vegetables and the chicken. The sauce is ready. I will add it to the macaroni in a bit. Mixing it all in. The vegetables with the chicken, the macaroni and the white sauce. And my dish is complete. It's ready.